Congratulations to all the grade 12 matric students. And are you a student looking for accommodation through the NSFAS? In this video, I will guide you through the process of applying for an NSFAS accommodation. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'll be telling you everything that you need and showing you how you can apply and get accepted for accommodation. Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the step by step on how you can apply for your accommodation on your NSFAS account. If you know that you have registered yourself at the university, now it's your turn to apply for accommodation. Cause where are you gonna stay? You know, who's gonna pay? So let me take you through the steps on how you can simply apply for accommodation on your NSFAS and you're good to go. So guys, before I start, I just want to let you know that when applying, you choose, if you are currently in Gauteng, you choose Gauteng. If you are in KZN, if you are accepted in whatever, you choose that. Bad news to the UNISA student, there is no University of South Africa in the NSFAS accommodation. There is no University of South Africa known as UNISA. It's not there. So guys, but if you are applying, you choose where you were accepted. Example, if you are accepted at University of Pretoria, you're going to say Gauteng and you're going to say University of Pretoria. So guys, you're going to first go on your Google and you're going to type NSFAS and then you're going to log in. And guys, just to say, this is to assist you get funding from NSFAS when finding a place. It's as simple as that. So it's going to take you to this next page and you're going to press the right top, the word says my NSFAS, and you're going to come here and you're going to put your ID number and your password, right? That's what you're going to do. Type in your ID number and your password. Guys, also, if you're in TVET college, you can apply for NSFAS now because it's also open, you know. And also, you can apply for TVET colleges because they're also open. After putting your ID number, you have to put your password. Then you're going to successfully log in after putting your password. And it's going to take you to the next page, which is your profile. And you're going to scroll down until you see accommodation portal. And you press accommodation portal. And then it's going to lead you to this page. You read. Make sure you read everything. You read. And if they accepted you at Gauteng, at University of Johannesburg, you press that and then you select register, and then you're going to say I am a student, and then you're going to put your ID. You must say SAID, and then you put your ID number, your title, Mr., Mrs., whatever, and then you're going to put your names, all your names. If you have 5 names, put all 5 names, leave space in between your names. And then you're going to move on to put your surname, and you're going to do that, and then you're going to put your cell phone number as well. And then you put your cell phone number, and then they're going to ask you for your email. Put the email that you're currently using, and then it's going to ask you to create a password. You can make up a password that you're not gonna forget. Then the next one, it says confirm your password, and you're going to confirm your password. Then you're going to create. Oh wait, before you create, you must accept the terms and conditions. You can quickly go through the terms and conditions and then you accept them, and then you're going to create an account. And this is how your account is going to be looking. So since it's your first time applying, you're going to go on your left applications, and then you're going to press the apply, and then you press that red that says apply, and then you select the institution, which is UJ that I selected, and then you're going to come here, select the campus that you prefer, Yeah, and then property type. Is it university res or you want a house or a flat like that? So I chose university res. And then you apply. And then guys, I'm sorry for this position. So I was using my phone to vlog this thing. So I had to show you guys this part. After you apply, this is the part you're going to see underneath where they give you options of the places that you can select from or where there is space. So you just select one place there, and then if you're happy with the place, you just select it, you check the details, where is it, the rooms, contact details, everything. And then if you're happy with it, you're going to select the one that you're happy with, and then you're going to say apply that one. So let's go back to the normal. Yeah, here you have selected. It's going to show you pre-registration, the year, the university campus, accommodation. You accept the terms and conditions, and you're going to submit. Guys, this was so difficult because I was using my phone. I regret not using a laptop. I don't want to lie to you, but yeah, you can submit your address, your student details. This is your status in progress. Submit everything. Make sure you check everything and make sure all is well. Yeah, that was hard because I'm using people's information. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped. I hope you gained so much knowledge. I hope you now know what to do. And guys, I've been receiving your messages that UNICEF is giving you problems. I think they have a system problem error. But anyway, I'm still trying to get hold of UNICEF to know what's happening, but I'll keep you updated. Just keep on bringing those questions because I love answering to you guys. I love doing this for you guys. And sad part is, guys, 95% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Who said? I'm so sad. I am so sad. I thought we were helping each other. You know, this channel will never get monetized. What? Anyway, I'm very sad. Yo, I was just checking how am I doing, and I found this and I was so sad. Anyway, thank you for watching. I guess I'll see you on my next one. Bye.